This product was sent to me for my honest review. Here is everything that came in the box. Firstly, you want to grab 4 screws, 4 bolts, and the little wrench that came in the box, which will be used to secure the screen into position. But firstly, to get the exact measurements, I would not put the screws on just yet. I would just hold it up against the door like so to position it properly. And then you have the right length to secure it in place. That's when you want to grab the 4 screws and bolts and the little wrench and tighten on all 4 ends of the screen cover. Just hold in position, slide the bolt in, grab the nut and the wrench that came in the packet and tighten like so by hand, and then grab the little wrench and tighten like so. Then again, pick the gate up and double check the length, make sure it fits properly. Now you're ready to secure onto the door. Next step, you want to get you a little power tool or a Phillips screwdriver and a little screw like so with the washer. Again, you're going to need 4 of these for the 4 corners. Now keep in mind that you are drilling into a metal door, so make sure you have a powerful drill, unlike this one, which would only allow me to start the initial hole. Luckily, it was strong enough to at least allow the gate to be held in place. And I continued the same process for the other 4 sections or 4 corners as well. Started the initial opening with my weak power drill here, but we were camping at the time, so it was the only power tool I had available at the moment. So eventually I just grabbed a manual Phillips screwdriver and tightened it manually like so, which also did the job. The whole installation took approximately 10-15 minutes in total, even with my weak power tools. And now we don't have to worry about Mello running through our screen door, and he's nicely protected interior and also protects our RV. I hope this video was helpful.